Good morning everyone. This is 6:30 in the morning and I am on my way to office. Well, I'm not going to office exactly. So basically I am on my morning ride. So I thought of going to my office because it's about 11 kilometers far from my home. So I thought it would be a good long ride for me because back and forth it would be about 22 kilometers. So I thought let me just make it. And also in my previous videos I've told you that I'll show you how my office looks like, and I thought if not today then when. So please come along and let's see how the office looks like. I'm sorry the road is not that good and it's a little bumpy, so my voice might break, so please bear with me. So guys, I'm on my way to office. So you can see this green stretch. This stretch is something I like a lot because it gives you a very nice feeling when you are cycling particularly. So it all looks green and the roads are very clean. So it's really a fun. You'll enjoy, you'll have fun. Watching either side of the road, enjoying the greenery. And since it's not the main road, so it is not so occupied. I mean, it's not that occupied all the time. So you can just relax and ride. Yeah, that's the good thing about this road. And do you see that red van? That is the postal van. Something which is not seen so often. Yeah, because not every places have this van. They have gone into they have gone into decline. Postal services anyways has sort of come to closure. And here I just stopped to have a cup of tea because here they serve the immunity tea that cost 5 rupees. So the cost was not a matter for me. The matter was that I wanted to have a hot cup of tea, but not necessarily the milk tea because that kind of gives you acidity. So I prefer the red tea, the black tea. Yeah. And here I am back on the road. So I'm nearing office. Probably it will take about some 10 minutes, 10 or 15 minutes at the max to reach office. And over the top what you see is the metro bridge which is under construction. It would be a great thing because a lot of employees are commuting to office via their own vehicles and it takes a long time. So this metro service will be a lifesaver for a lot of employees. And it will also ease the traffic, so that would be relaxing. That would be a very good thing because this is the stretch where you get to find a lot of traffic during the peak hours particularly. And if you are stuck, then you are stuck. It takes very long time to move out of it. Now at the next side of mine, you would see the SAP building. The SAP office, the main office of SAP. I think they have only one office in Bangalore, so this is the head office in India for SAP. It's a big campus. It's a very good campus. It looks very green, and it's very nice to see. So it's a long stretch. It's a long stretch, guys. It will take some more time for me to reach office. But I always enjoy riding over here on this stretch because you can see the roads are nice and it's a wide road, so you can feel safe. You just have to stick to your side, and that's all, and then keep going. So that's what I prefer to do basically. But now since the metro construction is ongoing, so you'll see you'll see that the roads have been dug up here and there, and as you can see, the road has been barricaded, so I'll have to take a deviation from here. So earlier we were going in the left direction, but now we are taking the right, so that has become two-way now. But I think this status quo will remain for about a year at the max, and then I'm assuming that things will be ready by then. So guys, I'm very near to office. It will take about just a minute to reach my office. So I'm not going in because I'm neither carrying my office ID nor am I aware whether they are allowing people inside. So I would rather wait outside, take a couple of photos and then go back. But yeah, the reason I came here is because I just wanted to see how the office looks like, as well as I wanted to show you how my office looks like at the moment. Even if from outside, at least I'll be able to show you. So just see around how everything looks like. So that's the bus stand, Whitefield bus stand. And as I said, that's the metro bridge, and you can see everything is quiet and calm, which is not the usual case, especially when things are normal. You'll find a lot of employees walking on the road, going about their job, a lot of vehicles. So I'll be reaching office just in a minute. In fact, the office would be visible from here. If I stop and take a look at the left side of mine, I can see my office. As I said earlier, the roads have been dug up. Good that they are digging up the road when employees are not here. Otherwise, it causes a very big inconvenience. Nonetheless, I'm happy because I'm almost near my office. Here we are. Alright, so this is my office, you can see it. Apologies for the road. So that's the front of my office, Tesco. And this is where I work, and in fact I have been working for many years. So it's a great place. It's really an amazing place, and I've really enjoyed and loved every time that I've spent here, every moment that I've spent here. You know, it's a great place to work at. Great culture, great people. Things are very nice. Things are ordered and organized. You know, it's very nice. I thought of zooming my camera a bit and then taking a closer shot. So that's how it looks like. You see across the Sonic building, that is where I sit. So we have three buildings, Sonic, Phoenix, and the other one being Stargate. So we sit in Sonic building, me, at the ground floor. So my department is there. So yeah, I'm missing office. It feels very nostalgic, looking at the surrounding, looking at the office. Yeah, this is the front gate that I pedaled across every day, 5 days a week. So it sort of feels very nostalgic. It's nice to work from home, but at times you still miss office. So yeah, that's what it is. So thanks everyone for joining me, and you all have a good day. Thank you.